How cute is this one? I love such a cute little bag. It comes in a black color. It's like so simple but yet very stylish. I love the burgundy. Feels very soft and no smell. Very nice price range for this one too. I have this little cutie. Honestly, I've been surprised by the quality because the link kind of have like lower prices, which quality is usually not that great. But this one is very nice, and inside it looks very good. The gold is muted and looking very nice. The ball is working very well. Like for certain outfits, this would be such a cute bag that you put crossbody like an accessory. This is a third bag in this style that I'm getting, and usually even if they're in very good quality, the price point is pretty low. I would say this one is decent, but I think I like the one that I have in green color better. That one is a very good quality. This one is solid. I think it's a little bit lower on the price point. Then I have two pairs of slippers, a gorgeous color. It's like brownish burgundy color, really nice. They feel like very soft. The material is very soft and nice to wear. True to size, cannot say anything bad. Another pair of slippers. These are not my top favorite. I feel like this part is way too wide. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but I wouldn't say that they're the most comfortable to wear. Also, like inside all of these feels a little bit rough when you put it on, though they look very cute with the roses there. And last but not least, I got this sweater. It's quite big, it's hard to show here. Material, everything looks good. The zipper works good. Logo. The only thing I would say, I think that this part looks a little bit different. The side it looks like this. Very soft, very warm. There is a logo detail here. All the links are in my shop, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!